Thailand's rainforests represent one of Southeast Asia's richest centers of biodiversity, where dense vegetation, high humidity, and year-round warmth create ideal conditions for primate life. Within these forests live a wide range of species, including the agile white-handed gibbon, the leaf-eating dusky leaf monkey, the highly adaptable long-tailed macaque, and the nocturnal slow loris. Each species has evolved unique behaviors and ecological roles that contribute to the overall health of the forest. Primates in Thailand are deeply connected to the structure of the rainforest. Gibbons, for example, spend nearly their entire lives in the upper canopy, rarely descending to the ground. Their long arms allow them to swing efficiently between trees, covering large distances in search of fruit. Leaf monkeys, on the other hand, occupy mid-level forest layers and rely on their specialized digestive systems to process leaves that are toxic or indigestible to many other animals. Macaques are the most versatile, capable of surviving in forests, coastal mangroves, and even urban environments, demonstrating remarkable behavioral flexibility. Reproductive patterns among these primates are influenced less by strict seasons and more by environmental conditions, especially food availability. In periods when food is abundant, females are more likely to conceive and successfully raise offspring. Macaques reproduce more frequently, with complex social hierarchies influencing mating access. Leaf monkeys often give birth during times when gibbons typically form lifelong monogamous pairs, producing a single infant every few years, which results in slow population growth. Young leaves are plentiful, ensuring adequate nutrition for both mother and infant. Across all species, maternal care is essential, and in some cases, group members assist in raising the young. Diet plays a crucial role in shaping primate behavior and ecology. Fruit-eating species like gibbons depend heavily on seasonal fruiting trees and may travel long distances daily to find food. Leaf monkeys consume leaves, shoots, and flowers, using fermentation in their stomachs to extract nutrients. Macaques are opportunistic omnivores, feeding on fruits, seeds, insects, and small animals, including crabs in coastal regions. Through their feeding habits, primates act as key seed dispersers, helping regenerate forests and maintain plant diversity. These primates inhabit a variety of ecosystems across Thailand, including lowland evergreen forests, montane forests, and mangrove habitats. Protected areas such as Khao Yai National Park and Kang Krachan National Park serve as critical refuges where biodiversity remains relatively intact. However, even these protected zones are not immune to external pressures. The greatest threats to Thailand's primates stem from human activity. Rapid deforestation for agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development has led to severe habitat fragmentation, isolating populations and reducing genetic diversity. Illegal wildlife trade continues to target species like gibbons and slow lorises, often removing infants from the wild and drastically reducing survival rates. Additionally, human-primate conflict is increasing, particularly with macaques that enter towns and tourist areas in search of food. Climate change further compounds these challenges by altering rainfall patterns and disrupting the availability of key food resources. As a result of these combined pressures, many primate populations are declining. Species with slow reproductive rates, such as gibbons, are especially vulnerable to extinction. Conservation efforts are underway, including habitat protection, wildlife law enforcement, rescue and rehabilitation programs, and community education. These initiatives aim not only to protect individual species, but also to preserve the ecological balance of entire rainforest systems. Primates are vital to the survival of Thailand's rainforests. They're not just inhabitants, but active participants in shaping the ecosystem. Their presence ensures rainforest regeneration, biodiversity stability, and ecological resilience. Protecting these species is therefore not only about saving animals, it's about safeguarding one of the most complex and valuable natural environments on Earth.